Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to invite friends on Hamster Kombat but the link is just not working, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's fix this in just few simple steps. First, open your Hamster Kombat app and make sure you're probably logged into your account. Once you're here, tap in the Friends tab all the bottom of the screen. Now, before anything else, hit the reload button on the right side. This refreshes the page that can fix small glitches instantly. Next, tap on Invite a friend. You can send this invite through any messaging app. Once your friend joins through your link, you should receive your 5,000 coin bonus. But if that invite link still is not working, here's what to try next. Close or remove the Telegram app from your background apps completely. Then go back to Hamster Combat, reload the page again, and retry the invite process. Still not working. Try using a different method to share the link, like WhatsApp or even copying the link directly. If you're using Telegram, open it again, search for Hamster Combat, and tap on play from the left side. Something reloading it from the gets things back on track. And finally, if all else fails, tap the three dot menu at the top right corner of the app and hit reload page. That should fix the invite link issue once and for all. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and drop a comment if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching.